Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your kitchen chimney using DIY homemade cleaner. So wait, we are talking about the causes of a dirt kitchen chimney. A dirt chimney can be a real hassle, causing smoke to fill your kitchen and potentially even posing a fire hazard. So let's get into the key point. First, cooking oil and grease are a major culprit when it comes to a dirty chimney. As you cook, these substances can build up on the inside of your chimney, creating a thick coating that can be difficult to remove. Another causes of a dirt chimney is burning wood or charcoal. This fuel can produce a lot of smoke and soot, which can easily accumulate in your chimney over time. Next, improper installment or maintenance can also lead a dirty chimney. If your chimney is not installed currently, it may not be able to properly vent smoke and other byproduct of cooking, and additionally falling to clean your chimney regularly can cause buildup that's difficult to remove. So guys, I am going to start kitchen chimney cleaning with a DIY cleaner using a simple solution for baking soda and caustic soda and surf. First thing first, make sure you are wearing gloves before you start the cleaning process safely first. Next, add warm water to your DIY solution and let it sit for 15 minutes. This will help break down and grease or grime that has built up in your chimney. Now it's time to get cleaning. Take a sponge and cloth and start scrubbing away at the inside of your chimney. Be sure to get into all the nooks and crannies to ensure the through clean. Once you have finished scrubbing, rinse everything off with warm water or cold. You will be amazed at how clean your kitchen chimney looks, and that's it. With just a few simple ingredients, you can have a sparkling clean kitchen chimney in on time. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means everything to me. Creating content in my patience and knowing that you enjoy it make all the hard work worth it. Whether you are here for the laugh and inspiration or just to pass the time, I appreciate each and every one of you. I am constantly striving to improving, bring you the best content possible. Your feedback is always welcome. Thus appreciate. So don't hesitate to reach out. So I am promise you continue bringing you entertaining and informative content that you can enjoy. So once again, thank you for watching my video.